Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Now I want to explain about understanding food and beverage. Before then, let me to introduce myself. My name is Gede Famantego Aricahya. My episode number is 32 and I'm from 4D MEP class. Let's start. Food. What is food? Food is any substance normally eaten or drunk by living things. The term food also includes liquid drinks. Food is the main source of energy and of nutrient for animals, and is usually of animal or plant origin. There are four basic food energy sources: fat, proteins, carbohydrates, and alcohol. Humans are omnivorous animals that can consume both plant and animal products. We change from gatherers to hunters-gatherers. After the experience of the Ice Age, it is problem that humans wanted to create some feelings of security by controlling what plants were growing and which animals were available. This led to agriculture, which has continually improved and altered the way in which food is obtained. Food can be classified in accordance to their chemical property, to their function, to their essentially, to their contraction, and to their nutrient value. That is, the first is according to their function in the body. Is this divided three functions? There are energy-giving foods. The carbohydrate, fats, and the proteins are considered as a calorie nutrients, so that the body can perform the necessary function: rice, chapati, bread, potato, sugar, oil, butter, and there are examples of energy-giving foods. And the next, bodybuilding foods. Foods such as protein, fats, and carbohydrates are also called as a bodybuilding food. There are the nutrients that form the tissues: fish, meat, chicken, eggs, pulse, nuts, and milk. There are some bodybuilding foods. And the last is protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that function to regulate body process. They protect us from various diseases. Fruits and vegetables are some examples. Therefore, we must eat this regularly. And the second is according to its origin depending upon the origin of food. It has been classified as an animal food source and plant food source. And the last is according its nutrient value. Types of food that contain nutrients are cereals and millets, pulses, nuts and oil seeds, vegetable, green leafy vegetable, non-leafy vegetable, roots and tubers, fruits, milk and animal foods, meat, fish, liver, egg, carbohydrate foods, and condiments and spice. Beverage. What is beverage? Beverage has the understanding that all types of liquid which can be drunk. Drinks for human life has several basic functions, namely thirst quencher, appetite stimulant as an energy booster, and as a means to aid the digestion of food. A beverage is meant to be served and consumed. It is one right, rather than be used as an ingredient in other things, even though many beverage liquid can be also be used ingredients. A beverage can be cold or ice, warm or hot, still or carbonate, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, created from natural ingredients or more actively products. A beverage is usually consumed either by raising it to the mouth in a vessel such as a cup, glass, drawn to the mouth by a vacuum format in an item such as a straw. Generally, only cool or room temperature beverage will be consumed thus a straw, not hot beverage. Beverages are liquids made for consumption. They may be in the form of stimulants like tea, coffee, milk, or as a refreshment like soft drinks, juice, and water. There are broadly classified as below: alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage is all drinks that contain alcohol, which can be drunk with a certain alcohol content limit called ethanol alcohol. Well, that cannot be drunk called ethanol alcohol. Alcohol is a clear liquid and smells of ether, which is obtained through the fermentation process. Some are in liquid form and some are liquefied. Alcoholic drinks can be obtained by two processes, including fermentation. Fermentation is the process of breaking down sugar in liquid form into alcohol and CO2 with the help of yeast. Example, beer, steak, wine, and etc. And the last is distillation. Distillation is the process of heating and cooling again with a view to obtaining a higher alcohol content. Example is whiskey, rum, vodka, tequila, brandy, gin, etc. Non-alcoholic beverage. Non-alcoholic beverage refers to non-induction drinks or soft drinks, which doesn't have a bit of liquor by volume or yet is not interaction to convert sugar into alcohol during fermentation. They are considered as soft beverage, which can be have according to the choice and standard. Types of non-alcoholic drinks are: the first is natural mineral water. Is water that contains mineral and comes from the ground or springs, which undergo a process like processing, cleaning, and sterilizing before trading. There are several kinds of them plus CO2 in it, which is useful for preserving and refreshing. Some brands of mineral water include Perrier, Evian, and Aqua. And the second is artificial mineral water. It's a drink that is made to imitate the process of mineral water and is usually given certain aromas and is preserved with CO2. This type of drink is better known as soft drink. Several types of artificial mineral water like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, tonic, and RC Cola. And the third is aromatics or stimulant water. It's a drink that has a stimulant aroma that can affect the organs in your body. Several types of aromatic or stimulant water like coffee such as black coffee or regular coffee, espresso, iced coffee, and etc. Tea such as hot tea, hot lemon tea, Chinese tea, iced tea, etc. Chocolate, for example, hot chocolate, iced chocolate. Milk, for example, hot milk, iced milk. And the fourth is juice. It's fruit juice or liquid obtained by squeezing fruits. Juice that are usually provided in bars include orange juice, lemon or lime juice, mango juice, apple juice, and etc. That is my explanation about food and beverage. Thank you very much for your attention. See you and goodbye.